guys, Eva here from Arcan RV. Today I'm going to be walking through a 2023 Avalanche 390 DS. This is one of the most sought after floor plans this year and last year due to the fact that it has 2 full bedrooms. I'm going to start on the outside, and the most important thing I like to talk about is the chassis. At Keystone, they custom make every chassis for the floor plan, so there is nothing left to guessing. We're not guessing where things go. The tanks all fit perfectly into it, and all the wiring fits through it perfectly. It is a powder-coated, E-coated chassis, so it's very strong. Full-size outriggers so that your slides rest comfortably. All right, looking at some of the features on the outside, Avalanche has got some industry-changing pass-through storage. The storage in here is, as I like to call, a mother-in-law suite because it's massive. So as you can see, I could have a nap in there, which is nice if you have to pack all your stuff in there. This one also features, as does every 2023 Keystone product, 200 amp hour lithium batteries. So as we know, these are longer lasting batteries. Instead of lead based, they are lithium based. So they are hooked up to a Solar Flex 200 package, so that with the power of the sun, you'll be continually, charging your batteries so that you have all the power you need when you're camping off grid. We have 2 massive awnings, so when you're at your campsite, you get the maximum amount of coverage. You can sit under your awning and barbecue, or you can be sitting here watching the fireworks, or whatever you're doing. You got lots of places to sit. We have G-rated tires here, so they are stronger, give you a better drive, and we have a road armor suspension. So your drive down the road will be much more comfortable. We have solid steps in the front here, and if you'll follow me, awesome thing about this 390 is we have a second entrance to the second bedroom. These are also solid steps. We're going to do this walkthrough backwards. We're going to go in through the second bedroom. So if you'll follow me, this brings us right into the second bathroom. We have a full-size shower, a full-size porcelain toilet, and a vanity, which is almost unheard of. This is massive. From there, we walk right into the bedroom with a residential queen size in the second bedroom, and you'll see as we get upstairs, a residential king. We have lots of storage, and as with every Avalanche, soft closing cabinetry, which is awesome. We have a little bit of headspace here for all you tall folks. And that brings us right to the living/dining area. Another awesome thing is we have a loft, so if you have a large family, you could potentially sleep up to 9 people in here. It's quite spacious up there. I can sit up there cross-legged and not bump my head, so you can hang out up there, which is awesome. So we're kind of in a living area here. We have our Thomas Paine furniture, very cozy, and we have a massive, I believe this is a 40-inch TV, maybe it's bigger, I'm not sure. And we have a electric fireplace, 5,000 BTU, so it does give off some heat for those days where you just don't want to turn the furnace on. We have solid countertops here, very nice, look very granite. And again, all the cabinetry is soft close, which is awesome. Residential microwave, and we have a nice Furion oven. And we have here also an 18 cubic foot refrigerator, lots of space as you can see. It is a Norcold, so it stays cold for longer. Lots of counter space, lots of storage space. There is just industry changing storage in this thing. Like you could live in this and have all your stuff, which is awesome. Another thing to note about Avalanche that sets it apart, we have the tallest slides in the industry at 6'10". So it makes it feel super spacious in here. We have massive windows, dual pane windows. So you don't have to worry about that condensation in the winter. So again, as you can see, it's very roomy in here. You could easily live in this and not feel like you're cramped. All right, we'll go up into the bathroom. Another thing to point out, I always like to point out over here, is our Blade Pure. This delivers 20% more air than the other air conditioners, and they have these, we'll call them tough lock joints that go in between all the ducting to make sure that the ducting doesn't collapse so that you can get more airflow. Very important if you're spending any amount of time in your unit. Okay, here we are in the bathroom. We have a full-size shower, just like downstairs. Is it downstairs? We'll call it downstairs. And again, a ton of storage for your towels so you don't feel like you're missing space. And here we are in the master bedroom. We have a residential king-size bed with a very nice mattress. I know if anybody's RV'd, you've seen the standard mattresses, which are not greatest. So these are very comfortable. And we have a full walk-in closet that also features washer and dryer hookup if you so choose to do that. Here we also have a little bench for storage, which is nice. So it's nice to sit down and take your shoes off and then store your shoes in there as well. And we have some drawers for socks and underwear. So all in all, we have a very spacious, well-built fifth wheel that is perfect if you are either just being a weekend warrior or if you are deciding to live in it full time. Either way, you will be comfortable for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.